Oh my god. Oh, it's two millipede. Oh, this millipede is. Oh, one is bigger and one is smaller. Wow. Millipede. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. Oh, this is the copal giant millipede. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my god. Listen, please. See. Ooh. Oh my god. Another giant millipede. Hello everyone, yes, welcome to my channel again. So let's discover the insects in my village. So let's discover. Oh, look at this place. Oh my god. Oh, amazing place. Wow, wow. Discovery, the discovery. Oh my god, you see, amazing. Oh my god. Oh, it's giant millipede. Wow. Oh, I love this color. Wow. Oh, it's millipede. This millipede is under the coconut leaf. Wow. That is cool more. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's two millipede. Oh, this millipede is. Oh, one is bigger and one is smaller. Wow. Oh, this is the smaller one. Wow. Oh, and this. Oh, this biggest. Oh my god, look at this place. Oh my god. Oh, and many Spider-Man. Wow. Oh my god. You see, this is the attractive place. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh, amazing place. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, millipede. Oh my god. Wait. Oh, this millipede is very big. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, look at this millipede. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. Oh my god, very big millipede. Oh my god. Oh, many millipedes. Oh, let is cozy all of this place. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, look at this place. So amazing. Oh my god. The coconut leaf. Oh my god. Oh, wow. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, giant millipede under the coconut leaf. Wow. Wow. Oh, it's amazing. Oh my god. Oh, looks so attractive place, you see. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, it's one more. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's one more millipede. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's amazing place. It's millipedes stay here. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, look at this. Wow. Let us go more. Oh, look at this place. Wow. That's so amazing. Oh, look at this snail. This is an ancient snail. It passed away. Wow. Put it in here. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Oh my god, amazing. Oh my god. I love catching. I love discovery. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, looks so attractive. Oh. Oh my god, look at this. This is the African snail. Wow. Oh my god. Let's discover. Oh my god, giant millipede. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, very big millipede. Wow. Let's discover more. Let's discover more. Oh, another African snail. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, you see, looks so attractive. Oh my god. Oh my god, so attractive. Wow. Wow. Oh my god, amazing place. See, ooh, oh my god, another giant millipedes. Oh my god, many millipedes. Look at this spot millipede. Wow. Wow. Oh. Oh, wait. Oh, it's one, two giant millipede and another spot millipede. Let's catch the spot millipede first. Oh my god. Oh, it's my god. Oh, this is the copper giant millipede. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, many spot millipede. Look at this. Oh, spot millipede. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, many spot millipede. Wow. Oh my god. Look at this snail. Oh my god. Have you ever seen this snail before? Oh my god. Oh, one is alive and one is passed away. Wow. Look at this snail. Oh, this is the African snail. Oh my god. Oh, many snail. Let's discover more. Amazing place. Looks so attractive. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, looks so amazing place. Wow. Oh, let's discover. Ooh, another giant millipede. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god, you see? Wow. It's very big millipede. Oh my god. Oh, many millipede. Oh, I think it's that all. Let's discover more. Oh, so attractive place, you see? Oh my god. Oh, it's that amazing. Oh my god. Wait. Oh, you see? Oh, it's many African snail. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, it's one more. Wait. One more. Oh my god. This is the African snail. Many African snail. Oh, it's one more. Wow. Oh my god. They are crawling on this tree. Wow. Oh my god. Discovering more. Oh, you see? Oh my god. Oh, many giant millipede. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, let's discover more. Oh, look at this. What is it? Oh, this water's place for the scorpion, but we cannot take it out. Wow. I love catching all of these insects. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, nothing. This place. Oh my god. Attractive place. Oh my god. Oh, I see a millipede. Wow. See, wow, the millipede is under the coconut leaf. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh, looks so attractive place. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, let's discover more. Oh, I see one more millipede. Oh, look at this millipede. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, one more spot millipede. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Wait. Oh, looks so attractive place. Oh, look at this. This is the millipede. Wow. Oh, it's millipede. Oh my god. Oh, you see? Wow. Oh, it's millipede. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's many millipede. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, many millipede under this land. Wow. Oh, wait. You see one more millipede. Oh my god. Oh, many millipede here. Oh my god. Oh, that looks so attractive place. Oh my god. I think it's that all. So yesterday I catch a lot of insect like African snail and giant millipede, red millipede, also spot millipede. Wow.